Welcome to this beginner walkthrough and tutorial on how to use QuickBooks Online. This comprehensive guide will take you through the essential steps to get started with QuickBooks Online and help you manage your business finances efficiently. First, sign in to your QuickBooks Online account and navigate to the dashboard, where you can view an overview of your company's financial performance. The dashboard is divided into sections, including income, expenses, and cash flow, providing a clear picture of your business's financial health. To start using QuickBooks Online, you need to set up your company file. Click on the settings icon and select Company Settings to enter your company's information, including name, address, and tax identification number. You can also customize your company file by adding a logo and setting up user permissions. Next, let's move on to managing customers and vendors. In QuickBooks Online, you can create customer and vendor profiles, track their interactions, and manage their invoices and payments. To create a new customer, click on the Customers tab and select New Customer. Then enter the customer's information, including name, address, and contact details. Now, let's discuss invoicing and payment tracking. QuickBooks Online allows you to create professional-looking invoices and track payments in real time. To create a new invoice, click on the Invoicing tab and select New Invoice. Then enter the invoice details, including date, customer, and items or services sold. In addition to invoicing, QuickBooks Online also provides tools for managing expenses and tracking cash flow. You can categorize and track expenses by type, such as rent, utilities, or supplies, and view a detailed breakdown of your company's cash flow. To stay on top of your finances, it's essential to reconcile your accounts regularly. QuickBooks Online provides a reconciliation tool that helps you match your bank statements with your company's financial records, ensuring accuracy and preventing errors. Finally, QuickBooks Online offers a range of reporting tools to help you make informed business decisions. You can generate reports on income, expenses, and cash flow, and customize them to suit your needs. These reports provide valuable insights into your business's financial performance and help you identify areas for improvement. By following these steps and using the features and tools available in QuickBooks Online, you can efficiently manage your business finances and make informed decisions to drive growth and success. Remember to explore the QuickBooks Online Help Center and resources for more detailed information and support.